What is the first word or phrase that comes to your mind when I say Indian Army?
Proudness, bravery, courage.
They are heavily skilled.
Brave.
Respect.
What does the army mean to you?
Army means India. India means army.
The army means everything to me because I am from the army background. My father, my mother, my sister, everybody is in army.
It means protection 24 by 7.
What is one thing you admire about our army?
Their ability to serve our country 24/7.
They are away from their family. They are in like staying in bunkers and in very tough situations, and they never like give up or they break down. They're strong, standing tall, and there itself.
Their courage, their value, and their, you know, volunteering and working in each and every or a different type of environment.
How do you think the army has affected your life?
Because they there, so we safe. It's like that.
I have been born and brought up in army's culture, so what I am today is because of Indian Army.
It has affected my life as it causes me to focus in what I do in my daily life.
How do you think you could help the army?
I could help the army by doing my part as an Indian citizen.
Possibly there are new things that have come up like helping them financially or even like at least praising them. If not anything, at least we can praise them and give good thoughts about them and tell good things about them and share them on social media, like what they are going through and what they're doing. Even a small cadet or the youngest cadet in the military does something good, so that can also come up in the social media. That will even boost their people would like to work more and go into army as well.
There is no way that we can help the army or repay them for what they are doing for us in any way. But yes, the smallest thing that we can do is help them. By the way, you guys have started the Josh. That's just 0.1% that we can do for them.
Give us a message for the army. What would you like to say to the soldiers standing at the border?
You're doing a great job, guys, and we are very proud of you.
We are there with you always, and whenever you need us, we are there for you.
Jai Hind. Because
Thank-
that's the only word that meant a lot for them.
Jai Hind and thank you.
The Indian Army is the fourth largest army in the world.
True.
False?
I think so. False.
True.
False.
False.
India has the third biggest voluntary army.
False.
True.
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 Indian soldiers are considered among the very best in high altitude and mountain warfare.
True.
True.
That's true.
True.
The Indian Army has never initiated the first attack.
True.
True.
100% true.
It's true.
True.
Very true.
True.
Border.
Yeah.
Border.
Border.
Lakshya maybe.
Kargil.
LOC?
Yes.
LOC.
Yeah.
LOC.
This is Kargil.
No.
Something familiar. Force.
Raw. War.
Madras Cafe.
Batman maybe.
Tube light.
This is tube light.
Yeah.
Uri.
Okay, very good.
This was Uri.
Yeah.
This one is Uri.
Yeah.
Uri.
Uri.
Yes, good job.
Team Josh wishes you and your family a very happy Republic Day.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.